Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a white background in Photoshop. First, make sure you have your image open in Photoshop. The next step is to unlock your background layer if it's locked. Just click on the lock icon in the Layers panel, and it will turn into a regular layer. Now, go to the Select menu at the top of the screen and choose Color Range. In the Color Range window, make sure that the selection preview is set to None. Then, click on the white background you want to remove. Adjust the fuzziness slider until most of the white background is selected without affecting the subject too much. Add more samples by holding down the Shift key and clicking on the colors. Click OK to confirm your selection. With the white background selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the white background, leaving you with a transparent background. If your image has any remaining white areas, you can use the Eraser tool or go back to the Color Range option to fine-tune your selection. To clean up any leftover edges, you can apply a layer mask. Go to the Layers panel and click on the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom. Then, using a soft brush with the foreground color set to black, paint over any areas that need to be hidden. And that's it! You've just learned how to remove a white background in Photoshop. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.